that is called as a deforestation. Okay. At a time, if forest is burned, we will put fire. At a time trees are burned, that is called as a deforestation. At a time we will cut the trees. Okay, that is called as a deforestation. So children, long ago all land was covered by forest. So in previous class I told, before 100 years back they are with the full of trees. But people needed space, main crops. So people needs to put the crops. They need a place. So they started cutting the trees. Okay. Next, and they build the houses. So children, in the jungle many trees are there. Okay. So we cannot build the house. After cutting the trees, we will build the house now. So people started cutting the trees to build the house. So they cut trees where now I am some place there is hardly any trees at all. So now only hardly we are getting some trees here. 5 to 6 trees or 7 to 8 trees are there. But maximum many trees were there. We don't know how to build the house, where to build. Later people graduated and they started the build. We need the factory. We need to build a school. We will cut the trees and we will build the school. We will cut the trees, we will build the factories. We will cut the trees, we will build some buildings, apartments, many things we will do. Okay. So people cutting down the trees and clear the forest for more agriculture. For more agriculture they need land, building houses, building dams. For dams also they need. Okay. Next, mining minerals, more wood to make a furniture. See children, after cutting the trees are helping for us to make a furniture. We are making furniture with the trees? Yes? Very good. So, bad effect of the deforestation. So, we are going to learn about the bad effects. What are the bad effects? As the trees are cutting down, the soil is exposed. The sun heat drips up the soil. It becomes dusty. Strong winds blow away the soil. So children, if trees are there, wind will come, it will be covered. If we are cutting the trees, wind will come, all the soil will be moved. Okay? Have you find? When you will walk on the road, some wind will come, all the soil will be moved. It will be go on your eyes, right? If it is trees are there, no issues. Heavy rain washed away the soil. So, heavy rains come, the soil will be washed. Okay, are you getting? If soil is on the trees, if rains will come, you can see our trees will be a green color. Next, as there are no roots to hold the soil together, especially in the hill region. When trees are cut down, heavy rain causes landslide, closing measure, lose leaves and property. So children, here, if no roots, no trees, if rains come, all the land soil will be moving because there is no roots also. Okay, suppose we have cut down this much tree, what are the roots are there, it will be come down. Slowly this will be moving from there. The air also is not fresh. Yes, if it is no trees, no fresh air. Okay, if it is no tree, no fresh air. As it contains less oxygen. When no trees, less oxygen. We should carry oxygen every day? No. So we have to plant more trees. Because there are none or fewer trees in purity are the air. So children, here we need more and more trees. Please don't cut the trees and please plant more trees, because we need rain, we need oxygen, we need food. Not only we, animals also need the food. Okay, so many people are suffering with the oxygen. In corona, have you seen? Oxygen were not there. We are taking the oxygen from other countries. Okay, so we should save the environment here. So the forest as a department of the government of India is trying to save the forest. So the government of Karnataka, the government of department of the government of India. Okay, so they are saving our forest. Even though in forest, people are there who take care of the forest. Some people will come, they will cut the trees and they will go, they can take the sticks. But nowadays, government has strictly ordered, you should not cut the trees. Because with the trees we are making furniture, we are making up books, we are reading the books. With the help of trees only we are doing. Okay. So it is very important of the 1/3 of the land must cover with the forest. So 1/3 we should be cover with the forest. Okay children, can you see the forest here? I will show for you. See children, many trees are there. Okay. So it is for the very good, and we can take the good environment it is. We can take a fresh air also. Okay. Yes. Hope you all understand. Till then, please take care. So children, did you all understand? And today's homework, please read the lesson and take out the difficult words. Bye. Have a nice day.